We're gonna learn how to fill out our public profile in Kliniki. So first thing to do is to go on the left sidebar to business tools and then look for public profile and click on access. This is gonna take us to our public profile page. If you've already filled out your public profile, you will see a link here linking to your public profile, which we're gonna see now. If you haven't filled out your public profile yet, you can start with your appointment payment. You're able to choose that your patients or customers book appointments with you while paying on-site, online, or with both, and they can choose which one they're doing. Then you choose your clinic title, you fill that out. You'd say what field of work you work in. So if you're a physiotherapy center like here, or if you're a dentist or a dental lab, or a tattoo shop or a beauty clinic or whatever field you work in, you can add that here. If you already have a website, you can add your website here. You can add a description for your clinic, the languages spoken at your clinic or the languages that you're able to communicate with. Your social media section, so you can put out your Instagram link, your Facebook link, Twitter or LinkedIn. Your clinic location or locations, so if you have multiple locations for your clinic, you can add as many as you want. Add in a location title, so this could be the country, the city, the state, or wherever you are. You can add some directions, a phone number for that location, and any additional information that you think could be helpful for the person looking at that. You can add in your opening hours, so you have every day of the week. You can set if you're closed or open by clicking on that button. If it's open, you're able to fill out the from and to fields for the hours that you're open in, and if it's closed, those fields are disabled. You can fill out for every day which times you're open or closed, and when you're open and closed. And then you have your frequently asked questions section. You can add as many questions as you want. Write down the question, write down an answer for it, and the person visiting your public profile will be able to see all of that information. And then you would save your public profile, and that would generate a link here that you can go and visit, and that's SEO friendly and will appear on Google searches. It's gonna show out first your organization colors, so it's gonna use the colors that you have set in your settings. That page is available in English or French. You can see your social media links that you have filled out in your public profile. You can see your website, your phone number, a book now button, which we're gonna see in a second, the spoken languages, and your locations. There's also this about section, your opening hours, the services that you offer, and the frequently asked questions. And if the user clicks on book now, it's gonna show them this booking form in which they can fill out their information, choose what times they are available for the booking, select a service that you're offering, add some notes and comments, decide if they're paying on-site or online, and remember their info if they want to book again with you, and confirm their appointment. Thank you.